This is my transporter. Now, this van has a pretty serious problem. And that problem is that even with it making this much noise, almost no air comes through any of the dash vents. Only the windscreen and the footwell. Now, I've had this van for, I think about 3 years now, and it hasn't really, I've sort of been putting off this issue. I didn't really know how to fix it. However, today it is 27 degrees and it is cooking in here. I've already had the aircon regas just to try and bring the temperature down, but my God, I am getting hot. But now I know what the issue is. It sounds like it should be an easy fix and a cheap one, because so far it's cost me £11. And looking online, it looks like it's going to be fairly simple. It's just I need to remove this bit of plastic here to get to this bit, that bit there. So as far as I know, this needs to come off. Oh God, you know what? Oh, I was expecting that to just pop out. I told you, it's really easy, really easy. I didn't need any tools or door keys to get under the edge. Yeah, so once that's off, you've got a couple of screws back here. You've got some screws in here, usually held over by these panels, and there's one at the back. And then take the radio out, and you should be able to just pull this whole thing just off and away. And I'll do that quick, and then we'll reconvene. Alright, a little bit embarrassed about how dusty it is, but we're down, we've got everything off. The one thing I will say, if you've got an aftermarket head unit, you will need to remove the cage. Didn't expect that, but anyway, remove it. Hopefully you haven't done it out too tight, and you can just pong back all the little spiky bits you've done. Now it'll come out, and then the whole thing will come away, easy as that. Now, 4 screws, one on each corner, should lift this out of the way, and then we should be able to access the cables. Alright, so now you're down at this point and you've got everything loose and you can see in, so it's, I can't quite show you just yet, but it's this one, it's this one here, the one that goes back there, and it's not, oh, can I zoom in? Really slow, this is the oh my God, slowest zoom in the world. It's that blue one there, that's that blue one there, that's the one you want. And you can just about see where it connects. If it'll focus, will it focus? You can just about see where it connects there. You're not this one, not that one. You're looking for that connection back there. That's the one you want. So we'll pop that off and see if we can get any better access to the bottom of this. Okay, so as I started pulling this, I've popped it off the back there, and as I've started pulling it forwards to get it out, this little clip thing is here. Have a look at your new one. Your new one will show you how to sort of pull it out. I mean, I just snapped mine, but I was trying to pull it the right way. But as I'm pulling it out, so this yellow one has also disconnected, so I need to make sure I put them back in the right place now. It's actually dead easy to connect and disconnect. It just literally slides onto a little sticky out part. It's going to be impossible for me to show you. Maybe I'll show you like a B-roll or something just on the screen now, so you can see there where the yellow clip just sort of goes over the pole, and then it clips into this bit here. So the green one, which is the one we're replacing, is currently cable tied to the red one. I don't know if that happens on all the Volkswagens, I don't know, but I'm gonna have to snip that off, and then I can't even I mean, I can barely see it, so I don't know how you guys are supposed to see it. Okay, so that's the green one removed, and as you can see, there is my issue. Every time I was turning the dial, it would kink it instead of pushing it nice and straight. Actually, that's going to be fixed on this nice new solid core 11-pound cable. It's a little bit longer, I think. Yeah, the new one's a little bit longer, but that shouldn't matter. Shouldn't matter at all. Should work just fine. So now for the reassembly, I'm going to leave the yellow till last since it keeps falling off anyway. I've got to get the green one back on this little sticky out post here, and then it clips in here, and then that's also got to run all the way back there onto that post that we took off a minute ago. I'm also going to pop a cable tie back on the between the red and the green one. If it had it before, it must do something important, so I'll get another one of them and I'll put that back on in a minute as well. But anyway, assembly is the reverse of removal, so I'm not going to go into too much detail. If anything pops up that may be difficult, I'll let you know. So literally the first hurdle, my green cable does not have like the clip bit that holds it in place like the original cable does. Where's the original? I'll show you that. There it is. You see the end of that, it's like got like a U-bend with a little clip bit on it. The new cable doesn't seem to have that. So I'm just gonna sling a cable tie on it to hold it in place anyway. But yeah, from now on, shouldn't be any weirdness. We should just put it back together. Alright, the cable is plugged in. I've watched the mechanism. Everything seems to be moving like it should be. So before I put everything back together, we just got one more test to do. So, aircon on, face vents. Since these vents have been on, and I've just had probably 3 years plus worth of dirt just hit me in the face, but nevertheless they work. Oh, this is bliss. Well, I don't even know if the camera's picking that up, but oh my god. Finally, cold air. So now it's just time to put everything back together really. So I mean, I'm just gonna do this old school YouTube style. And there we go. Everything's back together. Let's just quickly make sure it still works with it on the old face one. Yep, it is definitely working, and working very well. Nice cold air coming into the cab now. Beautiful. Nice, quick, easy fix there. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope this has been useful to you. If you liked it, please subscribe, please follow, do whatever it is you need to do. It really helps me out. So thanks again, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.